In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide Gmail inbox categories. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with the number of emails cluttering your inbox, or if you've felt the need to organize your emails a bit more effectively, this guide is just for you. We're going to walk through the steps to customize your Gmail inbox categories, allowing you to hide those you don't need at the moment and unhide them whenever necessary. This process will help you maintain a cleaner, more focused inbox experience. First, let's head over to Gmail. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and type in gmail.com if you're not already signed in. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself right in the familiar interface of your Gmail inbox, surrounded by emails that might be noisier than you wish. Don't worry, we're going to change that. Now focus your attention on the top right corner of the Gmail interface. You should see a gear icon, which is labeled as Settings when you hover over it. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll want to select See All Settings, which will take you to the full settings page where you can make all sorts of adjustments to your Gmail experience. You should now be on the settings page. You'll notice a row of tabs at the top. Click on Inbox from this row. This is where you can manage all your inbox categories and adjust them according to your preferences. As you look down the page, underneath the inbox type, there's a section titled Categories. Here, you'll find options like Primary, Social, Promotions, Updates, and Forums. Each of these categories serves a specific purpose and helps segregate your emails into different segments. To hide any of these categories from your main inbox view, simply uncheck the boxes next to the categories you wish to hide. For instance, if you're getting overwhelmed with promotions, you can uncheck the Promotions box, effectively hiding those emails from your main inbox view. This doesn't delete them, mind you, it simply moves them to a separate folder, keeping your primary inbox clean and tidy. On the flip side, if you've previously hidden a category and now wish to unhide it, perhaps because you need easy access to those emails again, just go back to the same settings page. Recheck the box next to the category you want to unhide, and those emails will reappear in your main inbox. Hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page once you've made your adjustments. This step is crucial because it saves all the changes you've made, ensuring your adjustments take immediate effect. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can customize your inbox categories, making your Gmail experience less cluttered and more organized. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification on these steps.